calling all mobile and manufactured homeowners in Maryland. Did you know you may be eligible for financial assistance to help with critical repairs, weatherization upgrades, or even full home replacement? Many state, federal, and nonprofit programs exist specifically to support mobile homeowners like you with essential home repairs. One of the most widely available resources is the USDA's Section 504 Home Repair Program. This federal program offers loans and grants to help repair, improve, or modernize your home, and to eliminate health and safety hazards. Homeowners can apply for loans up to $40,000. Seniors aged 62 or older may be eligible for grants of up to $10,000 or $15,000 in designated disaster areas. To qualify, you must own and occupy the home as your primary residence, and your household income must fall within the USDA's low-income limits. If you're approved for a loan above $25,000, the USDA will also require full title service to verify ownership and property records. This program is especially helpful for homeowners in rural areas, and it can cover repairs like roofing, electrical work, or accessibility modifications that make your home safer and more livable. The Maryland Housing Rehabilitation Program helps low to moderate income residents make essential fixes to bring their homes up to code, whether it's repairing a leaky roof, upgrading unsafe electrical systems, or addressing lead-based paint. The program offers flexible financing options, including deferred loans for those who qualify, and is available to owner-occupants of single-family homes across the state. To be eligible, your household income generally must fall below 80% of the area median income, and repairs must address health, safety, or structural concerns. There are also nonprofit organizations that may be able to help depending on location and needs. Groups like Rebuilding Together and Habitat for Humanity may offer free or low-cost repair services for low-income mobile homeowners, seniors, or people with disabilities. Program availability and eligibility requirements may vary by county or change over time, so be sure to check with the administering organization for the most up-to-date information. You'll find links and more information in the description below. And for more guidance on mobile home living, repairs, and support programs, visit us anytime at MHBO.com.